Yes, guys, welcome back. Today it's something new. Today I'm showing you guys how to get your garden ready for spring. Yep, as you can see, I have my little help over here turning over. Oh, yeah. All right, so Miss Miss Ariane just had a little accident, but she's all right. So we're gonna get started on the garden. First thing we gotta do is clear the area. So we wanna get all the debris out of the area and get it set up. Leave the camera. Come on. Let's go clear some area. Wow. Old pepper from last year. Don't mind my rake. I broke the handle. Broke the handle off the rake and I just didn't get a chance to replace it, so yeah. That's that for now. What you doing? You're supposed to be taking out weeds. What you doing? Take out weeds. Look. Take out weeds. Come. Alright, I lost my help. Yes, guys, as you can see, I'm just moving the weeds and stuff. And I happen to run into this little guy. Look at this little guy. Look at this little guy. Huh? Isn't he pretty? Look at that. What's up, buddy? What's up? Oh, yeah, look at that design. All right, we go get back to it. So, what I've been doing is, during the winter, what I would do is throw peelings and juice remains from carrots, cucumber, all of that. Throw it in the garden to like make a compost. So that fertilizes the garden. This is big old turtle shell. My dog probably got loose. So yes, guys, when you make that compost, then your garden will be rich, real rich. So I'm gonna get back to clearing this area, and I'll see you in a few. Hey. What is that? Put that down. Leave that. Hey, leave it. What I said? Get down. All right, now guys, you see that? Now we can go ahead and start scraping it off. Sorry for the poor quality. My phone broke and I'm using a loaner phone. Some people might notice, some might not. So we just get everything into a nice mound. Not stop. Fire ants. Come, come. Ants, ants, ants. Fire ants, run. Run, 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 run. Taking this to the fire. Come here, come. Shake it, make sure you get out as much dirt as possible. You just want to get the trash out. I know you see it coming on. Now we're really getting somewhere. Really getting somewhere. Oh yeah. Cats come out to play. My little help come out to play. So like this right now, I just need a little more topsoil. I'll probably get that from Walmart. And then I'm gonna make a border or a little fence right around the garden. You can already see I got some tires up there. Yeah. And I'm gonna put something along the front. So yes, guys, this is the start of the garden. Getting the garden ready. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, so you can follow me on the journey, see the crops as they grow and mature. Yep, this is it. See you guys on the next video when I give you some more tips on getting the garden ready. and also getting ready for fishing. So you know it's that time, fishing time. Cat over here trying to catch a cricket. Why is it shaking like that? All right, so part one, getting the garden ready, clearing the spot. I know you remember what it was like. Now this is what it's like. See you on the second part. And once again, subscribe if you haven't. Like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you have a garden, let me see it. Thank you guys for watching.